Good hit. Good hit. Very good hit. Oh, yeah. Wow. Decent. Decent hit. Oh. Whoa. Brilliant fight. This is, I love it. I absolutely love it. I love it. Love it. This is what this is what kayak fishing is all about. When you got a decent sized queen on and he's doing acrobatics as well. There's a lot with him as well. It's no wonder they're big. There's so much. Oh, there's a group with him as well. Decent. Decent, decent, decent. I'm gonna take it easy with this guy. Because he is decent size. Try and get him around the other side. He's just towing me out at the moment. It's good to have a good sized queenfish. You normally get smaller ones, but when you get a big boy on, they're pretty fun. Yeah, he's a decent size. Absolutely slammed it. Under a meter of water, this guy has absolutely slammed it. Big, big boy. Big boy. All right. Good sized queenfish. I'm gonna get this off him. Good fight. But a very, very, very good sized queenie. Look at this. Gonna get him in. Wow, mate, good fight. Enjoyed that scrap for sure. Woohoo! Jump in, and off he goes. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. It is 7:10. Worth getting up at 3 o'clock just to have a fight with that guy, because that was fun. Amazingly fun. Slammed it. I'm gonna cast back, see if there's anything else lying there.